After taking this remedy, this woman managed to eliminate their agonizing joint pains. This woman used to suffer from agonizing pains in her joints, which did not allow her to even move from her bed. Although her granddaughter tried to solve the problem, taking her grandmother to several different specialists, they did no more than prescribe anti-inflammatory, which did not even relieve the pain. This woman's granddaughter was disconsolate when she saw her grandmother suffer every time she tried to walk or move. Arthritis was practically ending with his grandmother. The good thing was, after so much searching, this granddaughter found the ideal treatment to treat joint pain, and thus end the agony of her grandmother. This young woman found this fantastic natural recipe to treat joint pains in a Russian book of alternative medicine. See below what is this phenomenal treatment, which will not only eliminate the pain in the joints, but also combat and eliminate arthritis. Next, we explain in detail how to prepare this simple natural remedy to treat joint pains. Ingredients: average eggplant, 1 liter of water, olive oil. Process: 1. Wash the eggplant medium well, then cut into rings. Place the eggplant rings in a pot with boiling water. Let the preparation rest until it is warmed. 2. Strain the preparation, and store 3/4 part of it in the refrigerator. Mix 1/4 excess of the preparation with 50 milliliters of olive oil, stir well and also store in the refrigerator. This last preparation will help you treat joint pain through an external application. To treat joint pains. Mode of consumption: the preparation corresponding to 3/4 part of the preparation must be ingested as follows: 250 milliliters on an empty stomach, 250 milliliters before lunch, 250 milliliters before dinner. The preparation corresponding to 1/4 part of the preparation, the last, should be rubbed in the areas of pain at night before going to sleep. After rubbing the preparation on the skin, place a cloth folded over to keep the heat in the area. This is an extremely effective and easy to prepare natural remedy that will help you treat joint pains in a very safe way, without any medical treatment. After 20 days of following this treatment, the grandmother of this young woman managed to feel totally renewed. Joint pain, inflammation and discomfort disappeared as if by magic.